Hello, Victor here from Crewe, and I'm delighted to present this Hyundai i10 1.2 SE Auto, powered by one 2.0-liter petrol engine producing 87 PS and paired with smooth automatic transmission. This compact hatchback delivers efficient and effortless city driving. The Hyundai i10 features sleek and modern design, complemented by body-color bumpers, door handles and mirrors. The halogen daytime running lights provide enhanced visibility, while the 14-inch steel wheels ensure smooth and comfortable ride. Additionally, the electric folding and heated door mirrors add practicality, especially in colder conditions. At the back, the i10 is equipped with integrated brake light, giving it a sporty touch, and heated rear window and rear windscreen wiper. Despite compact size, the i10 offers practical boot with split folding rear seat, allowing you for increased capacity space when required. Inside, rear passengers benefit from ample headroom and comfortable seating, along with ISOFIX child seat anchor points for added safety for younger families. The driver-focused cockpit features height-adjustable driver seat and practical dashboard layout, making every journey comfortable and convenient. The steering wheel-mounted controls provide easy access to audio and phone function too, ensuring seamless driving experience. This Hyundai is also equipped with manual air conditioning, keeping the cabin comfortable all year round. In the dashboard, you will have CD player, allowing you to enjoy your favorite albums and playlists, as well as access to stereo RDS radio with MP3 compatibility and DAB digital radio. You will also have access to Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling and wireless audio streaming. This has been a presentation of the Hyundai i10 1.2 SE Auto. For more information on how to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.